Have you ever tried to customize an icon only to find that it just doesn't look right? It's frustrating, isn't it? If you're struggling with how to rotate and flip an icon, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I totally get it. You want your faux bar chart icon to look just right, with the lines going from left to right and the axes starting in the bottom left corner. You're not alone in this. Many people face similar challenges when customizing icons. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked if it's possible to rotate and flip the faux bar chart icons simultaneously. They tried using both faux rotate 90 and faux flip horizontal, but it didn't work as expected. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a solution. So what's happening here? When you apply both classes, the icon doesn't behave as you might expect. This is due to how CSS transforms work. Understanding this will help us find a workaround to achieve the desired effect. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a neat trick that will help you customize icons even more effectively. To achieve the desired effect of rotating and flipping the icon, the user should first understand how Font Awesome handles transformations. The user can combine the rotation and flip classes, but they need to ensure the order of application is correct. Next, the user should apply the faux flip horizontal class first, followed by the faux rotate 90 class. This order is crucial because it determines how the transformations are applied to the icon. After adjusting the class order, the user should check the result in their browser. This will allow them to see if the icon now appears as intended, with the axes starting from the bottom left corner. If the icon still does not appear correctly, the user may need to adjust the CSS styles. Adding custom styles can help fine-tune the positioning and appearance of the icon. Finally, the user can test the changes by refreshing the page. This will confirm whether the adjustments have successfully modified the icon's orientation. Fun fact, did you know that the first icons were just simple shapes? We've come a long way in design, but sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to use a custom CSS rule for flipping the icon. By applying the transform property with scale X set to -1, you can achieve the horizontal flip effect. Here's the trick I promised. Always test your CSS changes in real time. This will help you see how different transformations affect your icons instantly. And there you have it. You can now rotate and flip your faux bar chart icon just the way you want. Remember, experimenting with CSS can lead to amazing results. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.